Hey everyone, and welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Target account. So first of all, open the Target app. After opening the Target app, you can see 5 options in the bottom of the screen, which are Discover, My Store, Wallet, Cart and Account. Tap the 5th option, Account, and there you can see many options. In the top right corner of the screen, you can see a button with sign in written on it. Tap on it. And there it will ask you your email or phone number and password. Simply type in your email address. And then type your password. After entering your email address and password, tap sign in. And it will ask you to add a mobile number, which is optional. If you want to add your mobile number, you can add it. Otherwise, you can simply tap skip. And there, you have it. You have successfully signed in to your Target account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.